Hi everyone, let's explore the different ways that you can access your ECSD Microsoft OneDrive account online. So first of all, I have opened a Google Chrome browser and I have logged in with my ECSD email and password. This is really important because when you log into Chrome, you will see in the bookmarks bar underneath the address bar ECSD Bookmarks. So if you click on ECSD Bookmarks, you will find a link directly to your Microsoft OneDrive. If you click this link, it's going to redirect you to your OneDrive. Now, another way you can access your Microsoft OneDrive is if you have opened your browser window and you have gone to My ECSD. From My ECSD, you will notice that you have the Office 365 waffle here in the top left corner. If you click on the waffle, you will just find OneDrive in your list of apps. When you click it, again, you'll be redirected to your OneDrive. The third and final way I want to show you how you can access your OneDrive online is by going to office.com. Office.com is essentially your hub for all things Microsoft Office 365. Notice that you have the tabs for all of your different apps along the far left navigation bar. In the center, you will see documents that you have been working on recently in your OneDrive. And notice this purple button here, just as a side note, you can come to office.com to install Office 365 for free on up to 10 devices. This is for all ECSD staff and students. Just simply click the drop down for Install Office 365. If you're working on a Windows 10 device, you would just simply click the first menu option. If you are working on a Mac, you can click other install options to see other ways you can install Office 365 applications. Anyways, going back to accessing OneDrive, once I'm here in Office 365, notice that I can see those recent documents, or I can go directly to my OneDrive by coming over to the far left navigation and clicking on the OneDrive app. And again, when I click on that, I'll be redirected inside my OneDrive account.